Oh, but they are comfortable. Especially when you are alone.
I have changed 500 rupees.
And 500. Yeah.
Okay. Can we sit? Sit back. Can we sit? So guys, right now we are trying out this juice on the street and hopefully we don't get any virus from this. So you're afraid? It's actually fine. Lockdown has been lifted. So we are enjoying life out here. Let's try it out and giving you more adventures on the street today. So we are trying mango now, and we are going to go for sugarcane next, and then tea next, so that we show you everything is fine. No more corona go. Salut Jardi. No, this side. This thing. Acha? Okay, then you've got.